Welcome to 20 Media. Tuvugamba nti subscribe, like, comment and share. That is United States Marines lifting up a plane using a mega helicopter. That is a good mission, and that shows how strong American army is and how skilled they are. Now that is an helicopter moving up and moving it down while lifting the plane down. In a few moments you are going to see how it is moving up. Now it is moving up. As you can see, it is moving up. As you can see, that is American mega helicopter for Marines. They mostly use it in times of danger, in times of trouble, in times of wars, most especially when the planes are down. What you have to remember is that America is the world's superpower. It takes the #1 position in the whole world in terms of war equipments. Those are American soldiers in the Department of Marine. Now they are presenting how skilled they are. They are very skilled people. As you can see, they are well trained by skilled guys in the United States. What I can think is that there is no country which is powerful and skilled like America to do such a stunning thing. Now that plane was in a certain bush where it fell down, but instead of bringing such a weak machines to lift the planes, for them they use the mega helicopters. Now that is the trick they use. As you are seeing them, they do things in the quickest way. Now they are trying to remove and repair some of the strong machines in order to make things possible. America, in most cases, they do things in a different way compared to other countries. For them, they have stronger machines. Now you can see how that soldier preparing, maybe it is over, it's a gun, or it's a what, but yeah, it's a gun, strong one. Panang, I don't know what I can say, but that is it about America and what they can do. Whatever they do is pub, and that's what I can say. It is pub, it is pub, it is pub. It needs you to download some videos on the internet such that you can see most of the things which I am talking to. And that is America in details and what they do in times of danger and in times of wars. I said America is totally different from other countries since it takes the first position. Thank you for being with us. Thanks for subscribing, commenting, and sharing. We encourage you to be with us for more news, for more products. Thank you. God bless you. Nice day.